Hello, my name is Adilkhan. I'm third year electrical and computer engineering student. I'm also a member of NU Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. I'm major representative for electrical engineering, and today I'm gonna answer some of your questions. I'm excellent student, and I initially applied for civil engineering major, but after one semester, I changed my major to electrical and computer engineering. And the reason for that was a course that I took previous semester. It was Engineering 100 course, and we explored several projects. And the project that I liked the most was the project related to electrical engineering. In fact, it was building the sensor, and it was the most exciting part of this project, even though I have completed other projects as well. So that's why I decided to change my major, and I think it was the best decision that I did. What is the difference of electrical engineering and computer science? I think the key difference is that computer science is mostly software based. You have to write codes and etc. While electrical and computer engineering is more broad. There are many more opportunities, but also it is very hard to be specialist in one area if you are going to choose electrical engineering. So like you have to determine your exact passion, like whether it is mostly working on software, machine learning, computer vision, or working on hardware parts like power electronics and etc. So as a previous foundation student, I can give some of the advices. I think electrical engineering technically lies on three skills. First is mathematics skills. You have to be very proficient in mathematics, because sometimes you'll think that your major is actually mathematics major. Your courses will be heavily related to mathematics. So it is better to have very strong background in that. Also, I would recommend to learn some programming, especially in Python, because anyway you have a Python course on the first semester of the first course, but it would be better if you have been introduced to it before, because the course is very tight and you will not be able to test some things out, or it's better to learn before that. And third skill is probably physics, but I don't think we rely heavily on that. There are some courses related to transistors and how they work in the physics, but it's mostly not about that. But it's very good to have background in that subject. What about soft skills? One of the major soft skills you will need is being very hardworking. Otherwise, you will not be able to survive on this major. In fact, after second year of the studies, most of the people quit electrical engineering because it's very hard and requires a lot of commitment and hard work. I think internships heavily depends on your interest. For instance, if you're interested in the hardware part, it is different part of internships. If you rely on more software, it is differently. Like it depends. It heavily depends, and there are no like key, but you can always find internships. Yeah, I actually completed internship. It was actually in the SCAT airline. It was not very much related to electrical engineering, but it is still an internship, and I think it's very easy to receive internship as an engineer overall. You can also compete in hackathons and other engineering competitions, and mostly they give their winners internships, which could be very helpful. But I don't think it's like really important if you finish the first year. It is like problem of the mostly second year, and by that time I guess you will be able to find out more about that. Yes, it's hard, but I think you will persevere if you going to study at this major. In fact, I work, most of my friends work, but they also have a quite good GPA. You just have to balance your work life and academic life. Also, there are like challenges. Sometimes it's very hard to combine both. But if you are going to work hard, you will have good mentality, mental state, etc., you will be able to combine these both. It's possible, but it depends on you, like strongly depends on you. Because some people can, some people don't. You cannot choose your professor for most of the courses of electrical engineering, but you can choose courses for the first year, mathematics and physics. While I might not know the current good professors or bad professors, you can always check the grade distribution reports or ask from friends from higher courses if they have like any insights. It's very easy to find work as electrical engineering student. I don't think it's a problem for us, especially since our degree is very broad. Like you can apply whenever you want. It's quite easy to find research opportunities as well, compared to maybe other majors, because there are many professors, they are willing to take their students. Some professors take students not for specific project, but for like labs as like overall, and students can do any projects they want to explore, and it's very good. Some of the students also be able to publish papers during university years, and it's very good because it becomes easier to apply for master's degree and etc. Personal project, как я знаю, это paper, research paper. Допустим, я сейчас на 3-м курсе, и у нас есть курс под названием IDP, Interdisciplinary Research Project, или Interdisciplinary Design Project. И кажется, этот курс уникален только для electrical инженеров, потому что я, как знаю, у моих других друзей из инженерных мейджоров нету такой. Что это является? Это pre-capstone. То есть перед капстоуном у вас будет курс, который будет учить вас капстоуну, как писать пейперы, как писать на латексе, как писать, как делать literature review. То есть это очень полезный курс для ресерча. Некоторые профессора, у которых есть array, ставят им, допустим, такое требование: под конец первого вот этого pre-capstone курса вы уже должны опубликовать свой пейпер. А под конец первого капстона вы должны опубликовать второй пейпер, а под конец третьего капстона уже третий пейпер. Знания EAP очень полезны в плане делания ресерча. У нас университет research-based, и поэтому, мне кажется, очень важно иметь эти навыки. Без этих навыков никак. Примерно, ну вот на многих курсах вам нужно будет это делать, и лучше сейчас уже переучиться. Плюс на EAP вроде можно выбрать проект, который связан с инжинирингом и так далее. Потому что, я не знаю, стоит ли это говорить на интервью, но я скажу это. Я на EAP брал проект, связанный с инженерией. И прикол в том, что мой профессор, который проверял EAP, возможно, не хорошо знал инжиниринг. И так получилось, что я написал, то есть закрыл EAP на 92%, благодаря тому, что мой профессор, возможно, не понимал, как мой вот этот пейпер работает. Действительно, на одной математике не получится. Вот у меня тоже есть бэкграунд в математике, я был олимпиадником по математике, и мне нравится математика, но я понимаю, что много курсов, которые зависят именно. То есть как инженер ты будешь брать как минимум курс ВКС на первом семестре, потом еще один ВКС будешь брать, потом будешь брать этику, биологию и так далее, и так далее. То есть, ну, нужны эти навыки в любом случае. То есть нужно их хотя бы иметь на базовом уровне. Ну и если хотите добиться успеха, то желательно их иметь повыше. Никакие. Ну, потому что это уже Electrical and Computer Engineering. Это как бы double major, но в реальности это не считается как double major. Но вы при этом получите знания и Electrical and Computer Engineering. Я бы хотел порекомендовать курсы. Я бы хотел порекомендовать клубы, в которые желательно вступить, если вы заинтересованы в этой сфере. В первую очередь это IEEE, во-вторых, это, наверное, ECM, и в-третьих, возможно, это не related к инжинирингу, но очень часто в инженерных мейджорах нехорошо развиваются скиллы паблик спикинга и так далее, и нужно как бы это развивать, но при этом курсов, которые тоже можно зарегистрировать, тоже очень мало, и при этом очень трудно составить расписание так, чтобы их добавить, поэтому я бы посоветовал сходить в дебатный клуб на мат. Electrical engineering, if you look around yourself, it's everywhere. If you look at your laptop, at many levels there is electrical engineering involved, starting from your touchpad, battery, from the processor you're using, from the keyboard to the mouse. Like everything is related to electrical engineering in some degree.